So the students here at the end of the course, they do go to a placement. So a lot of them do actually get hired in the placements that they are doing their co-op, so that's amazing. Okay, my name is Silvie Steves. I'm the medical aesthetics instructor at Anderson College. So the medical aesthetics program, we have two different parts, so the theoretical part and the practical part. Now the most important part is the hands-on. We do have the state-of-the-art equipment here, so we have our laser machines, microdermabrasion. The students can also practice their non-surgical facelifts, and also chemical peels. And we also do relaxation massages, so we have a whole slew of things that the students are going to be practicing in their lab. So when the students come in the door at Anderson College, they feel a positive atmosphere right away. My co-workers, students are very positive. They work together as a team. We're like a little family here. They learn from each other, which is very important. I find students that come into this program, they care a lot about others. They're ready, like these students are very employable at the end of the course, so they're ready to cover any needs, treatments that the clients basically want and ask for.